What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little bit different kind of video than
approaching a railroad crossing.
Don't pay that no attention. It's going to be a different kind of video. As you know, we're getting CASPER ready for the No Name Nationals, but the plan is we're actually going to be racing CASPER a lot more this year. And I've always drive the truck to the track when I race it, and I've always wanted to have a pit bike for it. And so today, me and my brother Steve over here, you ain't seen him since we were going to see Uncle Tony, and that ended in disaster. But so we're going today to pick up a little Honda Monkey for the channel. Should be pretty cool. We'll see what happens with it.
Hey Andy,
what?
I got a question about the monkey bike.
What?
What's the weight capacity on that thing?
I'm sure I'm over it.
Huh?
If you want to see a fat guy riding a monkey, you're gonna get to see one, because that is me.
You better get lean and mean before No Name Nationals. That's all I got to say.
Well, you know, that's my trick in my back pocket, is I got to lose weight and make the truck faster, right?
That's dead weight, man.
I know it. So anyways, we got to stop by Harbor Freight. We got to get some straps, and going to see if they got like a ramp so we can get it in the back of my brother's truck. Y'all got a brand new Harbor Freight?
Brand spanking new.
This is the big town of Lincoln, North Carolina, for those that may be wondering. You can see we still have snow on the ground from, what, last week? Last weekend? It's only 34 degrees outside, so it's a good day to go get a motorcycle, I think. You gonna ride the monkey?
No.
Why?
I don't want to break it. That'd be cruelty to animals, the poor monkeys.
Oh, God. Oh. All right, we're gonna go get some straps and a ramp. So, we just got out of Harbor Freight. They didn't have a ramp, but we got some ratchet straps. You know, those are weird, man, because I've got 40 million ratchet straps, but when it comes time to need one, I never can find them. I was like, why is that? But anyways, one thing I want to talk about is the No Name Nationals coming up in Sykeston, Missouri at the end of September. For more information, go to nonamenationals.com. And while we're here with my brother, Tony sent out another video a while back, and I'm sure all of y'all watched it, where he pulled out that mega wad of cash. You remember that? I mean, totally looking gangster. What did you think about that wad of cash?
Monopoly money.
You think it was Monopoly money?
I don't know.
He got it off of Amazon?
It was a wad, though.
And I know he is straight up New York gangster. I mean, you don't have the last name DeFeo for nothing, right? Italian mom.
Hey, you lose, or if you win, you might want to take cover.
Yeah, maybe. So just to let you know, Tony, I'll match your 2,500. So just know that right here in my hand. I ain't got the kind of wad that you got, but I got a pretty healthy stack. So anyways, we're going to get this bike, and now we're in this little town called what, Waco? Man, I haven't been through here in years.
Waco, home of the wackos.
Waco, home of the wackos. Well, we are in North Carolina. So yeah. All right. Good old Shelby. If you ever come to Shelby, North Carolina, it is famous for Bridges Barbecue up there.
And Shady Side Dragway.
And Shady Side Dragway. You got that right. My home track. First track I ever took a pass down when I was like, what, 14? Is that how old I was? I think it was 14.
Something like that.
Yeah. In a Duster, by the way. I don't know how you get into this place. I don't know how you get into this place, but it's up here.
You ever been up here?
A long time ago. I don't know if you get in it from this road here
Well, let's try this right here.
or up there where that car's turning.
Let's go this way. Nope, this ain't no road.
Oh dear! Change of plans, folks.
Hold on.
Famous last words. Hold on. Woo! Hear that, Hemi?
Let's try this road.
No, go on up.
Let's
Go
try
up there where
road.
that car's at. Oh, you could have got there from here.
You can't get there.
You can't get there from here because this car's got us blocked.
He's as lost as we are.
What are you doing?
Welcome to Shelby. Shelby.
Hmm.
Now, don't do anything stupid there, lady.
Yeah, just let us in the parking lot.
We just want right here. Don't do nothing stupid. Hey. Well, there it is.
There we are. Honda of Shelby.
Parking spot down over here.
Alright, we're here at Honda Shelby Motorcycles in Shelby, North Carolina. We're gonna go in and try to find our Honda Monkey. Come on. I'm pretty excited about this, Johnny. For those of you who don't know, I call my brother Johnny.
Not my name.
Huh?
Not my name.
Not his name, it's Steve, but we call each other Johnny. We've been doing
That means
it
we're excited about something.
That's right. Now let's see if we can find this thing. I don't see it out here. Let's go around. He said he was going to take it back and service it. So. Ready to go? All right. Oh yeah, there it is. Take a look. The Unity Motorsports pit bike right here. What do y'all think about that? What do you think, John?
Oh man, like I'm saying, I'm concerned about the weight capacity, but it's off a little back.
You have little confidence.
I'm a big boy. I kind of pay attention to those things.
That's pretty sweet. I'd like to have that money, but
So what do you predict it's going to run?
Oh, I don't know.
Are
You already
modify
talking about me racing it?
Yeah, you gonna modify it?
Maybe.
Huh? You gonna dip it?
No. Probably will put some good shocks on it. Maybe a different exhaust.
So you gonna beef up the suspension, carry the load?
Yeah. Got 0 miles on it.
All right.
So that's pretty cool stuff right there. Well, let's go give the man some money and get this thing
Don't give
ready.
him Uncle Tony's money. Oh, that's not Uncle Tony's. You're gonna have some more, right?
Yeah, I got plenty. Don't get no ideas, Johnny. He's wanting to buy this.
Bike. See, this is a bike for my size. Monkey, probably not.
Well, it's all about the intended purpose.
Yeah.
Got some pretty cool stuff in here. See, now I already know if Mandy was here,
Oh, that'd be hers.
she would be wanting to take that home.
Well, there's always Christmas. After you take Uncle Tony's money.
Oh, I could buy that once I get Uncle Tony's
You
money.
might have to up the stakes a little bit, but
Yeah, how much is that? Woo, that's high for a Vespa. That's pretty cool right there. All right, well, I just gave them my money, so this here is officially mine now. What? Darren, I appreciate all your help, man.
absolutely.
And if you guys need anything, and if you're close in North Carolina, feel free to come here to Honda and Shelby. These guys are super awesome. They can hook you up. Y'all got your website and phone number, and I'll put that in the video as well. So we're going to get this thing loaded up and head back towards Gaston County. Darren, I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I
man.
appreciate you, and I hope you love it and have a blast on it.
Well, you'll be seeing it on my channel, man, because I'll be using it as a pit bike, so it's going to have a pretty cool story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
All right, we got to get this thing loaded up, so looking forward to it. It's going to be pretty awesome. Well, we got it loaded up. You think my big butt's going to fit on it?
It's gonna be fun to watch.
Yeah, so it is going to be fun to watch.
Gonna be entertaining for sure. Come on out to the No Name National.
Yeah, No Name Nationals, end of September, October 1st. So when I get to the house and get this thing unloaded, I might do another little video of a walk around and me riding it or something, just so you can see how comical it is. You know, 300 pounds on that little bike. I don't care, because it's gonna be fun, you know what I mean? So until next time, oh yeah, before I forget, Tony, don't forget, 2,500 bucks. That's where I'm at. I'll catch y'all later.